Hey, so anyway, I'm just going to do a quick review on these pop-on veneers. I have had them probably, I guess, a month now, and I'm very pleased with them. See how they look? I am getting a little bit older, and my smile was not what I wanted it to be. It was kind of dingy yellow, and I have really good teeth. I don't have any gum problems or anything, but I was grinding my teeth at night, and let me show you. That's how easy they are to get off. See how my front teeth were grinding down, and they were kind of yellowish, and I didn't like that because that makes you look older, and I'm already getting old enough. I don't need something else to make me look older. So, pop these things on. I got top and bottom, and you can't actually, these don't look like they're ground down like my regular teeth are. I don't know if they added something to them or not, but they don't have that grind down look. And anyway, I like the color Hollywood White. I also referred my sister to this company too. She has chosen the one down from Hollywood White. She had a tooth that she hit in a door, and it was off color. But all my teeth were great except for the grinding look that I didn't like, and the yellow, I just couldn't get them white enough, and I felt like they made me look even older. So I have had these for about a month now, and I'm really thrilled with them. They're easy to maintain. They have a warranty that they're really good about. If you, I have returned one pair, and probably because of my grinding thing, and they replaced them very quickly, and I am telling myself, do not do that, do not do that, do not fall asleep with them on, because you have a grinding problem. But I am totally thrilled with them, and I am getting compliments. Matter of fact, my granddaughter is 8 months old, and she is pointing at my teeth trying to touch them because she knows there's something different about my mouth, and she likes them too. So I'm getting people to notice the difference, and I guess that's a good thing because they're all complimenting me on them. Anyway, it is a legitimate company, and I do love their customer service and how quick they respond to text messages and emails, and I was just totally thrilled about that. And you can call them too if you have questions, and they get right back to you. Anyway, if you are wanting to do something with your teeth, I highly recommend this company because they're going to beat everybody's price. I guarantee you they're going to beat everybody's price. I was thinking about getting implants, and they got to grind down the tooth and actually ruin your natural teeth. And say, I didn't want to do that because I have healthy teeth and healthy gums. I go to the dentist, and I get 1s and 2s on my gum checks. So I didn't want anybody to ruin my teeth any more than what I've already done to myself by grinding. But if you're on the fence, I'm telling you, this is a really good company, and I think you're going to be pleased. And like I said, I had top and bottom, and I really have been pleased with them. And I have called them and emailed them, texted them with questions, and they've always been very responsive, which is really a big deal. Customer service is really a big deal to me. So I hope this video helps you, And if you have any questions, hopefully it answers the questions for you. Best wishes on your new smile with hopefully Pop Mom Veneers. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.